Awesome. Incredible. And they're not slimy at all like most people think.
Not even a little.
Wow. Incredible, dude. What's your name?
My name's Ryan.
Ryan, I'm Rob. Nice to meet you.
Likewise.
I'm going to have to start getting into snakes, I do believe.
Oh, they're great. They're easy to take care of.
How old would this one be?
He's about 15.
I think he might be sliding off my shoulder the wrong way. Not for sure.
He's good.
He's good? Okay.
Yeah. Because he'll either go the way that he needs to, or he won't at all.
Oh, okay. Okay. Now, how old did you say he was?
About 15.
About 15. No kidding. Oh, wow. Dude, you won't believe how much this means to me.
Is this the first time you've ever held a snake?
A big one like this? Absolutely.
See, he's coming around. There, he wants to say hello.
Hey there, buddy. Wow. Insane. Insane. Wow.
Look.
All right.